all about you and your customer.
If your goal is to get to that customer happiness, then the magic starts to happen.
This is TOPdesk SEE 2021.
Think really big, but take those small, consistent steps. That's where we see the success.
Have the human in the driver's seat and allow the technology to fill in the gaps in what humans aren't good at.
I want to let folks know that you can send us your questions via the chat tab. That's what the chat tab is for.
How did you help this wonderful organization?
I'm going to show you how they did it in TOPdesk.
Get some love into the boardroom. People shape cultures, cultures shape people. Can you help me with like the small step I could take?
Engage with the people where they are. Let's turn to our next poll.
How do you get happy employees?
Happy employees leads to happier customers.
They had their work, but something disrupted it big time, and they had to react.
If pursuing that customer happiness is a source of joy, then it will happen.
Give yourselves the gift of time to think. Creativity is the muscle. The more you use it, the stronger it gets.
And find ways to infuse kindness and humanity for that extra mile.
We did it. We decoded customer happiness, and what could possibly be next?
Customer happiness, and that's decoded.
I wish you all a very pleasant journey.